Hi, my name is Datom Rosario Jagdisingsot and I recently completed the time management skill course on Coursera. Here's my reflection on how this experience contributes to my continuous professional growth. Why did you choose from Question 1. Why did you choose from your selected Coursera course and what important skills or lesson did you gain from it? I chose the time management skills course because I noticed that juggling multiple responsibilities often led to stress and last minute rushes. I wanted to learn practical techniques to organize my day more effectively rather than just working harder. Through the course, I gained valuable lessons on using methods like the Pomodoro technique and Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks. I also learned how to set smart goals, which helped me understand the difference between being busy and being productive. How does enrolling in online courses like Coursera and support your continuous professional growth? Enrolling in online courses supports my professional growth by allowing me to learn at my own pace while still managing my current academic or work commitments. It gives me access to expert knowledge that I can immediately apply in real world situations, bridging the gap between theory and practice. Furthermore, it builds a habit of self discipline and lifelong learning, which are essential traits for adapting to any future workplace. In what ways that in what ways can the knowledge and skills you gain be applied to your future profession? In my future profession, I can apply these time management skills to handle high pressure deadlines without compromising the quality of my work. For example, using ABCDE method will help me identify which tasks truly need my attention first, preventing burnout. I can also use time blocking strategies to ensure I allocate specific hours for deep work and making me a more reliable and efficient team member. What long-term benefits do you see in pursuing continuous learning for your career? The long-term benefit of continuous learning is that it keeps my skills relevant in a rapidly changing job market, making me more adaptable and resilient. It also opens doors for career advancement as employers value individuals who take the initiative to improve themselves. Ultimately, it fosters a mindset of growth, ensuring that I don't become stagnant but instead keep evolving toward my long term professional goals. What personal Question number 5. What personal insights did you discover about yourself as a learner through this experience? Through this experience, I discovered that I learn best when I immediately apply concepts to my daily routine rather than just memorizing theories. I realized that I used to confuse being busy and with being effective. But now I have the tools to correct that. This journey taught me that I am capable of managing my time intentionally, which has boosted my confidence in handling future challenges. That's all. Thank you.